Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video on how we can get basically a list of what software is installed on our computer. So there may be a few different reasons we want to do this. We might want to check if something is installed on here programmatically, so maybe our software has some sort of other dependency and we want to check if it's there. Also, we may just want to create basically like a list of software that's installed on this machine for security reasons, right? Saying showing what is installed on the machine, and then being able to track changes and stuff like that. So I have just a VI here that's just going to basically take all that data and then populate this table for me. But I'll show how we're going to do that. So we're going to do this using the registry functions. So if you go to connectivity, there's this Windows Registry access VIs. These are what we're using. So we're pulling this information from the Windows Registry. But basically we're using this open registry key function. The sub key is going to be this software Microsoft Windows current version uninstall. And we're going to do local machine. So you'll want to make sure you're not accidentally on like current user or something like that, because then you'll only get software installed to that user only. So yeah, local machine, and we want to make sure we set it to key read and default. Next, we're going to query the registry key info. So we're going to pull this sub key info out and pass this into this enum registry keys. That's just going to pull a list of all of our sub keys. Once we've pulled our sub keys, we're just going to iterate through each of these. We've got this kind of base location in the registry, software Microsoft Windows current version uninstall. We're basically going to append onto that our sub key, and from there we're going to open that key, query its key info, and passing out those values into this enum registry values simple, and then we'll close the key when we're done. So yeah, we're just going to iterate through each key where we pull that information. Then out of that information that we pull out, we're looking for specifically the display name, the uninstall string, the install source, and the install location. So we're trying to gather that information. So we're just searching the list of subkeys to try to find those elements specifically, because there could be more or less. So that's what we're really interested in. And we're basically just building an array of those things, and if they're found, we're storing them. And yeah, that's pretty much it though. Afterwards, right, we're just basically building the array, transposing it, and writing it to our list box. So that's pretty much it. Let's give this a run. So yeah, pretty quick, right? And you can see I can now see all of the software installed on my machine. I get a list of the display names. I can see the uninstall strings that I could run if I wanted to uninstall that software. I can see where it's installed to and the install source media, if that information is present, right? Not everything has all of this, but it's a good way to just say, hey, this is what's installed on my machine. So that way, right, if you were looking for something specific, you can search the display names. If you are just trying to document this, right, you could basically capture this and record this, however you wanted to, so that you could basically document, hey, at this time, this is how my system was set up. You could compare against that, right, to see if new software has been installed, uninstalled, etc. So yeah, that would be how in LabVIEW, using the Windows Registry, you can read what software is installed on your computer. Thanks for watching.
Canon Controls is your gateway to mastering LabVIEW. Dive into programming for data acquisition, industrial communications, and manufacturing automation. Explore how to enhance your projects with cybersecurity best practices. Join the journey to elevate your skills and secure your systems with every episode.